Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope that all of you are good and safe and sound at home. Students, today we are going to deal with the book work of lesson number 1, that is Hazrat Umar bin Abdul Aziz Razila Ta'ala Anhu. We are to deal with the page number 7, 8 and 9 of your textbook. Right, before starting that, let me tell you about a difference between sentence and phrase, right? Phrase and sentence are common structures in any language and are made up of a group of words, right? दोनों सेम स्ट्रक्चर्स के होते हैं, राइट, इन एंड आर इन अ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स, मीन्स कि ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स, बहुत सारे ग्रुप्स ऑफ वर्ड्स को मिला के जो प्रॉपर फॉर्म में बनता है, दैट इज अ सेंटेंस. बट फ्रेज जो है वो लिटिल बिट डिफरेंट होता है सेंटेंस से, क्योंकि उसका प्रॉपर मीनिंग नहीं होता, राइट. लेकिन अदरवाइज दोनों जो हैं वो ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स हैं. लेट मी टेल यू अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन बोथ. A phrase is a short or long group of words. A sentence refers to a group of words. दोनों अब क्या है? Group of words. Phrase does not convey a complete thought. Phrases do not express a complete idea. They cannot stand alone. A sentence expresses a complete thought. A sentence is also a group of words. अब क्या है कि जो phrase है वो proper meaning convey नहीं करते, लेकिन sentence proper meaning convey करता है. A phrase can only be used as parts of sentence, lacks subject or verb or sometimes both. A phrase sentence में as a part भी use होता है, और उसके अलावा sometimes इसमें subject नहीं होता, sometimes इसमें verb नहीं होता, और sometimes ऐसे होता है कि दोनों नहीं होते, right? और sentence में क्या है? It conveys a complete thought, necessarily contains a subject and a verb. अब sentence में subject भी आपके पास होता है और verb भी होता है, right? Alright, phrase does not begin with a capital letter or end in punctuation marks. अब sentence में आपके पास क्या होता है? It begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, question mark और exclamation mark. Phrase में आपके पास जो है end पे ना ही full stop होता है, ना ही punctuation mark, कोई भी नहीं होता, और starting जो है उसका letter वो भी capital नहीं होता, small होता है. लेकिन sentence में आपके पास capitalization भी होती है, full stop की form में भी होता है, ending mark, क्वेश्चन मार्क की फॉर्म में भी होता है, और मार्क ऑफ एक्सक्लेमेशन भी होता है. ऑलराइट, देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ फ्रेजेस एंड डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस. फ्रेजेस भी डिफरेंट टाइप्स के होते हैं, जैसे नाउन फ्रेज हो गया, वर्ब फ्रेज, इसके अलावा जेरेंड फ्रेज, राइट, प्रपोजिशनल फ्रेज. तो जितनी भी फ्रेजेस यहाँ पे मैंने एग्जांपल्स लिखी हुई हैं, आप देख सकते हैं कि इसमें कोई भी प्रॉपर मीनिंग कन्वे नहीं कर रहा. बी वाइल्डर्ड, टूरिस्ट, वॉज वेटिंग फॉर द रेन टू स्टॉप, वॉकिंग इन द रेन, we don't know who was walking in the rain, to make lemonade, my favorite pastime, washed with my clothes, on the table, we don't know what is on the table, picnic basket in hand. अब किसके हाथ में है नहीं पता. So these are the phrases, right? phrases की types हैं ये different. आपको पता चल रहा होगा कि इसमें कोई भी proper meaning convey नहीं कर रही. लेकिन यहाँ पे sentence में अगर आप देखें तो sentence की भी different types होती हैं, like declarative sentences होते हैं, interrogative sentences. declarative में आपके पास positive और negative दोनों आ जाते हैं. उसके अलावा imperative sentences and exclamatory sentences. I like coffee, I do not like coffee, do you like coffee, give her coffee, what a liar he is. अब यहाँ पे आप अगर देखें तो these are giving you a concept, right? proper meaning convey कर रही हैं. So these are this is the difference between phrase and a sentence. कि sentence आपको proper meaning convey करता है और phrase आपको proper meaning convey नहीं करता. Alright, this is page number 5 on your 7 on your textbook. Read each of the following word groups, then write S for sentence and P for a phrase in the space given and write. Now number 1 is, A part is, freedom is a gift of Allah. This is giving you a concept, so this is a phrase. You have to write here S, or you can write full sentence. B part is, early in the morning. Here it is not giving you a concept, meaningless है ना, so this is a phrase. यहाँ पे आप लिखेंगे P और you can write it phrase full. C is as black as coal, so this one is sentence. It is giving you a concept, right? S यहाँ पे लिखेंगे आप. Alright, next one page. D part is, Pakistan is an Islamic republic, right? So here this one is a sentence. E is, we should learn from our mistakes. We should learn from our mistakes. So this is giving you a concept. It is also a sentence. Now the next one topic is clause. Come on this page. Here is a note given here on the right side of the page. A clause is a group of words containing a subject and predicate. इसमें subject भी होता है और predicate both होते हैं. The main clause is one that makes a complete sense on its own. अब clause को भी different parts में divide कर देते हैं. एक तो होता है main clause और दूसरा होता है subordinate clause. Main clause that is independent और जो second one part होता है subordinate that is dependent, जो depend करता है main clause पे, right? The subordinate clause, as its name suggests, cannot stand alone as a sentence. It depends on another clause to make a complete sense. So ये depend करता है किस पे? Main clause पे, right? यहाँ पे example दी हुई है. I cannot go to school because I am ill. Now I cannot go to school. This is the main clause. यहाँ पे ये main clause है. It is giving you a meaningful, meaning आपको कोई दे रहा है. लेकिन यहाँ पे second one जो part है, this one is because I am ill. अब यहाँ पे because I am ill, it is not giving you a proper meaning. So this one is subordinate clause, जो कि किस पे depend कर रहा है? Main clause पे depend कर रहा है, right? All right. So the question is here, read the following, then underline each subordinate clause and circle the main clause. आपने मेन क्लॉज को सर्कल करना है और सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज को आपने अंडरलाइन करना है. ए पार्ट इज एज सून एज द ट्रूप्स अराइव्ड. नाउ दिस वन इज सबऑर्डिनेट. आपने क्या करना है? सबऑर्डिनेट को आपने अंडरलाइन करना है. यू आर टू अंडरलाइन दिस वन. द कमांडिंग ऑफिसर स्टार्टेड गिविंग इंस्ट्रक्शन. दिस इज मेन क्लॉज. आपने इसको सर्कल करना है, मेन क्लॉज को, राइट? बी पार्ट इज ही हैड लेफ्ट लाहौर. दिस इज मेन क्लॉज, राइट? आपने इसको सर्कल करना है. नेक्स्ट वन इज बिफोर ही रिसीव्ड समन्स फ्रॉम द कोर्ट. दिस इज सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज. आपने इसको अंडरलाइन करना है. नेक्स्ट वन इज सी पार्ट, दे रीच्ड अ पॉइंट. दिस इज मेन क्लॉज, अंडरलाइन इट. नेक्स्ट वन इज वेयर थ्री रोड्स मीट. दिस इज सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज जो डिपेंड कर रहा है किस पे? फर्स्ट वन, मेन क्लॉज पे. सो यू आर टू underline it. All right, next one is you cannot succeed. This is main clause unless you work hard. Subordinate. Second one is subordinate. All right, main clause को आपने करना है circle. You cannot succeed unless you work hard. You are to underline it. I really believe. This is main clause. And the next one, what you have said, this is subordinate. आपने main clause को क्या करना है? You are to circle it और subordinate को आपने क्या करना है? Underline करना है, right? All right. Here is another question on the same page. Match each main clause to a subordinate clause to complete the sentence. Then write down these sentences. Now A part is he visited the town. Now he visited the town. This one you are to match this one with the C1 part where he was born. Next one is B. I could not complete this assignment. I could not complete this assignment. You are to match B with E. B with E. Because I was too tired. C is we can show you another design. We can show you another design. You are to match this with D. As you please. Next one is D. He fainted. He fainted. You are to match this one D with B. As soon as he heard the news of his father's death. Next one is E. Change your behavior. You are to match this one with A part before it is too late. So these were the answers. You are to match these according to this one, right? आप इसके according इसको match करेंगे. A with the C, B with E, C with D, D with B and E with A, right? Alright students, next page पे आ जाएं. Next page है आपका last one task. This is punctuation. Use capital letters where necessary to punctuate the following dialogue. Dialogue is a conversation between two or more than two people. एक दो या दो से ज़्यादा लोगों के दरमियान जो बातचीत होती है, that is called a dialogue, right? So वहाँ पे capitalization is necessary. So you are to capitalize these small letters. आपने इनको capitalize करना है. जितने भी ये names mention हैं, 2 names, इनके आपने starting letters को capital करना है. इब्तिसाम, right? I capital, मुनव्वर M capital. नेक्स्ट वन भी इसी तरह आपने सबके कैपिटलाइज करने हैं. अस्सलामु अलैकुम A capital, here O capital, underline and write on it. Alaikum A capital. Next one line, I am fine I capital. Please P capital. Please have a C. Next one line, how old is your brother? Munawwar. How H capital? Munawwar M capital. Next one is he is just 12 years old. He H capital. Next is have you heard the news about Mr. Waqas? Have H capital, Mr. M capital and Waqas W capital. Next Munawwar's dialogue is who is Mr. Waqas? W capital. M Mr. M capital, Waqas W capital again. Ibtisam's dialogue, he is the owner of Adnan Book Center on Shahrai Qaid-e-Azam. He has been robbed by someone. He capital H, Adnan A capital, Book Center B and C both capital. Shahrai S capital, Qaid-e-Azam's Q and A, Azam's A capital. He has been, he H capital. Next one line, Munawwar's dialogue, O capital. Oh, it's very bad. Next one dialogue, have you read any books recently? H capital. Next one dialogue of Munawwar, I have read a novel entitled Alice in Wonderland. I capital, Alice A capital, Wonderland W capital. Ibtisam's dialogue, next one is what's special about it? What? W capital. Next one, it's a lovely novel. I capital. The language is excellent and some of the passages are very witty. The T capital. Next one, last one line, the dialogue of Ibtisam. I will try to buy it soon. I capital. Now I am going back. Now N capital and I capital. It's time for prayer. Allah Hafiz. Allah A capital and Hafiz H capital. Right? So this was the task of today, students. I hope all of the points are clear. This is your diary for today. Revise all concepts of bookwork, page number 7, 8 and 9, right? You are to revise these bookworks, right? Thank you very much.